Boost your TikTok shop with expert dropshipping services. Are you looking for a professional and reliable dropshipping service provider who can handle your TikTok shop orders and more? If yes, then you've come to the right place. I specialize in helping you set up and scale your TikTok shop through effective and automated dropshipping services. TikTok Shop Dropshipping Setup. TikTok Shop Automated Dropshipping. AutoDS Setup. Finding the most profitable products for your TikTok shop. Premium Product Research. Keyword Research. Product Sourcing and Listing Creation. Optimizing Product Variations. I use platforms like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, CJ Dropshipping, AliExpress, Temu, Shine1, and more. Want to boost your sales? I'll share insider tips on free promotions, TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, user-generated content (UGC). Everything you need to grow your business organically. After activating your products, you can expect sales to start flowing organically within just 1 week. Plus, I'm offering 1 week of free service after delivery to help you hit the ground running. Not sure where to start? Don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way as your personal mentor, showing you exactly how to increase sales and maximize profits. Let's take your TikTok shop to the next level. Click the link below to get started, and let's make your business a huge success. Your success starts here.